Welcome back to Chaby Tech. In this video, I'll be showing you how to update your Angular packages using the npm. So all your packages in Angular are present in package.json. So a way to check if you have any outdated packages, you do npm outdated. So now I have a couple of packages right here. I have the Angular material, the current version that I have, it's 12.0.1, and you can see that the latest is 13.3.7. So this is a major update that I need to make, and it's urgent. And the rest, I have some Jasmine and Karma coverage. So what we will do is to update our packages. But once you have, if you have an Angular application, it's good sometimes to run the npm audit, and the npm audit will tell you which package is vulnerable. So now I have zero package vulnerability because it's a new project that I have. It's only for testing. But if you have a big Angular application, it's good to run the npm audit and to check for some vulnerabilities. And you can also do uh, another command using the npm to fix those vulnerabilities, but sometimes the npm audit won't fix all the vulnerabilities. If you have like 50 vulnerability, it will fix around 30. So what we're gonna do in this video, I'll be showing you how to update all the packages to the latest versions. So we're gonna run npm update. So it will update all the packages that we need, but sometimes it won't update to the latest version. So I'll show you another way to do it. And also, if you have only 2-3 packages that you want to update individually and not all the packages, and this is a good way to do it. So we're just gonna wait until this finish, and then I'll show you the difference for the version that we have currently. So now the update is finished. So let's go ahead and type again npm updated, and we'll see now the difference between the versions that we have. So as you can see now, the major one was the Angular material we had in very old version. So now it updated to the 12.2.13, and now what we're gonna do, we will run an update individually. So I'll update material with the latest. So once you do at latest, it will take the latest version and it will install it. Also, I'll do types Jasmine at latest, and at types node latest Jasmine core at latest. And we have Karma coverage at latest, and the last one is Karma Jasmine at latest. So now what will happen here, it's we are telling npm I want to install all the new packages in my Angular application, and all the package JSON that you have, the package JSON that you have in your Angular application will be updated with the latest version that you have. So let's run again npm outdated. We shouldn't have any type of package that need an update, so it's empty. And also another way to do it, npm audit. npm audit, basically, if you have a big application, Angular application, it will tell you that some packages are very vulnerable and we need to make an update. And the way to do it, you can do npm audit / fix, and the audit will fix a couple of packages by its own. But if you have a lot of packages, sometimes it won't be able to fix all of them. So that's why you need to use the npm install and do each package by itself, and you put the version that you need, and you need to make sure that all the version are, it's not going to affect another package or another type of code that you have in your Angular application, because newer versions sometimes it can trigger a problem in your coding, and you don't want that. So this is the way to do an update with npm. And also there's another way to do it by using the ng update. Basically it's the Angular CLI. So now if you go to ng version, it will tell you the version of your Angular CLI and other information. So my Angular CLI is 13.3.6, and also my globally it's 13.3.9. And here are my packages. So let's go just for fun, ng update. We shouldn't have any type of update in our Angular application, because what we did it with npm. They found 24 dependencies right here, but we shouldn't have any type of update. So you see we analyze your packages.json and everything seems to be in order. Good work. So now you can run your application and you have the latest version. So it's good when you create a new Angular application to make sure that you update all your packages before you start. And once you're going through your project, in the middle of your project, it's good to make another update or every once in a while. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.